So, welcome all of you to High Tech. Today's topic is heading tag. So, let's see what is heading tag. So, what is heading tag? So, basically, heading tag is used to suggest or create an heading in a web page. If we're writing H1, there are six heading tags, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, and H6. These are specifically used to create a heading or suggest a title in a web page. This is the H1 heading. This is the H2 heading. The H3 tag. H4. H5. Uh, These are the heading tags. Six tags, and each have its own specific size. The H1 is bigger one, and H6 has the smaller one. Let's see. So you can see the H1, and this is the H2, this is the H3, the H4 and 5 as well as 6. So these are about the heading tags in HTML, and we can also increase the size by using style attribute. So font size is suppose 60 pixel. You can see the 6 number heading size is increased. And also remember, when you are declaring a heading tag, in that heading tag, it have some predefined margin and padding. It automatically sets an margin in padding. So margin means the space by surrounding the tag inside the tag or surrounding the tag, that you can see between H1 and H2 there is a space. So that is the margin of padding that automatically set by the browser. So there is no need to define the margin and padding in heading tags. So these are all about heading tag. So you can color it also. Star to aqua. These are the heading tags. So that's all about the heading tags. Thank you.